I don't think people understand how easy it is to install an HP printer cartridge. Let's make it simple. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the quick and easy steps to install your HP 126nw printer cartridge. No fuss, no confusion. First up, make sure your printer is on. Then, lift the scanner lid to reveal the cartridge area. Now, carefully open the cartridge door. You'll see the slots for the cartridges. Grab your new cartridge. Give it a gentle shake to distribute the ink evenly. Remove any protective tape. Then, align the cartridge with the correct slot. Slide it in until it clicks. Close the cartridge door and the scanner lid. Your printer should recognize the new cartridge and do a quick alignment process. Boom! You're ready to print. Remember, always use genuine HP cartridges for the best performance. And there you have it. Installing your HP 126nw printer cartridge made easy. Like, subscribe and hit that bell for more tech tips.